there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and I am going to show you today how to do the extended double crochet. As you can see, I have a swatch here, and it is the long double crochet, and as you can see, this makes it to where you get a higher row than you normally would. And I have a swatch here to show you what the regular double crochet rows look like compared to the extended double crochet. So as you can see, you have your double crochet here. This is your regular double crochet, and if you put it against the extended double crochet, you'll see how much taller the extended double crochet is compared to the regular double crochet. And using the extended double crochet is a good way to make your scarves longer, where you don't have to do so many rows. You can use it on sweaters, hats, cowls, just about anything that you want to do and have a taller row, where you don't have to, have such short rows. So I am going to show you how to do the extended double crochet. Alright, we are going to go ahead and get started on our extended double crochet. And with the extended double crochet, it doesn't matter how many stitches you put on your hook. You just need to do your multiples plus an extra 4. So I'm going to chain 8, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to do an extra 4. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to yarn over, and you are going to start in the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to insert through your chain, bring up your 3 loops on your hook, and for the extended double crochet you just do an extra yarn over. So you're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop only, and then you're going to do your regular double crochet. So you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So as you can see, you have a higher double crochet here, and those 4 extra stitches give you your first stitch as the same height as your extended double crochet. So I'll show you that again. So you yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, draw up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook. So you yarn over, draw through 1 loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, and then yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Okay, so we'll do a couple more here for you. So you yarn over, insert your hook into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop. So you're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so I'm just going to go real slow here, finishing my chain off. And if you need more practice, you can always rewind the video. Okay, if I can get my hook in the next stitch. Okay, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so we're at the end of the row. So as you can see, you have a higher row with your extended double crochet. So it creates a higher row for things if you want to do tops or scarves or whatever you want to do to make it a little higher and give your rows more height. You can do that. Again, you can watch this video over in case you need help or practice with your extended double crochet. Again, this is Joey Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch for the rest of my video tutorials, or find the video tutorials in my library. Thank you.